hit it in reverse and see what happens. Perfect. Runs and drives. Next up, frame machine. Let's get it in the next video. Subscribe down below. Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Infiniti Garage. In today's video, we're back on the Q50. I believe this is part 3 or 4 already. And in today's video, we got a bunch of parts actually for the car. We're going to start putting it on. By the end of today's video, this thing should be driving and on all 4 wheels like that. But we did hit 5,000 subscribers, so go to my Instagram, right here, Upstate Garage, and that will be where the giveaway details are. But keep subscribing. We're gonna have another one at 10,000 subscribers. Well, right now, let me show you guys a bunch of the parts we got for the car. We got all the suspension components and most of the body components, so go check it out. So guys, right here, we got our whole knee assembly. I mean, it comes with the lower control arm, everything we need. The shock, we got one on the car, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace it just in case so there's no problems. Like this upper control arm and the spindle and the rotor. So everything we need to just get this thing back on the road and moving. Right here we also got the axle. It's kind of crusty, but it'll work. I mean, that's all you need just for it to run and drive. And then right here you got the front aluminum. It's like a little reinforcement bar that sits on the bottom. We got that. So right now what I'm gonna do is show you all the body parts. Right here we got the hood for the car. I mean, nothing special right here. There was a bunch of damage on it from hail and stuff. So my dad already started doing some Bondo on it, but I kind of told him to stop just so I can start doing it and practicing on my own. But we also got a fender and a front bumper for the car. I guess I'll show you guys right now. I gotta, if y'all see, we just took this part of the axle right off because we saw some bolts on there. We were curious if we could just get it like that without pulling the actual whole thing out. So what we're gonna do on this axle right here is do the same thing, disconnect it. There's like 6 bolts all the way around, and it literally just sits flush right on there, like that, just right on there. So it's an easier way of changing out the axle. So we're probably gonna do that right now, and time lapse starts now. All right guys, so we got the axle on here. I don't know if y'all can tell, there's 6 bolts all the way around the axle. It's really hard to see from this angle. I actually tightened them from the side angle from over here
But yeah, just rotate it and tighten all of them. There's 2 right there. But yeah, there's 6 of them. So now we can install the rest of the suspension. So guys, this is the new shock. This is the old one. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's bent up slightly at the top like that. That's what we've noticed. So I don't know, maybe it's a better angle like this, but yeah, it's bent at the top. So best thing to do is replace it right there. All we gotta do is little 3 bolts up top, so why not? Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. We just got the new wheels and tires. We're gonna install them right now. There's the old one, really curved up and stuff like that, and it's a flat tire. So I'm about to jack the car up, put the new wheel on the other side, and see if this thing will drive. Let's go. Runs and drives, baby. Moment of truth right here. All right, reverse. See what happens. Perfect. Runs and drives. Next up, frame machine. Let's get it.